To obtain the Trident Rod, you'll need to fulfill several conditions, as it's considered one of the most expensive tools in the game due to its challenging acquisition process. The Trident Rod boasts great stats, making it well worth the effort, with 20% less speed, 150% luck, 0% control, 0% resilience, and a maximum kilogram of 6,000 kilograms or 6 tons. The first step to getting the Trident Rod is to complete the Desolate Deep Best Harry at 100%, which requires a significant time investment and the purchase of a reinforced rod to fish in the brine pools. Next, you'll need to collect 5 enchanted relics by fishing in the ocean or buying items from a specific vendor. Once you've collected the required relics, you'll need to earn at least 150,000 tokens. With these conditions met, you'll need to find a secret cave located near the Desolate Pocket, which can be accessed by visiting the merchant, proceeding to a long narrow rock, jumping into the water, and swimming to the cave wall, where you'll find a tunnel leading to an abandoned temple. Inside the temple, you'll need to place the enchanted relics on 5 pedestals to open the door and claim the Trident Rod. This process is time-consuming and challenging, but the end result is well worth the effort, making the Trident Rod a valuable addition to your collection.